Fables of La Fontaine. The Cockerel, the Cat, and the Little Rat. A rat, so very young that it had seen nothing at all, was at his setting out almost snapped up. And what his fears had been, he told his mother. Thus it came about. I crossed the mountains bordering our land, bold as a rat that has had his way to make. When two great animals, you understand, before my eyes, their way towards me take. The one was gentle, tender, and so mild, the other restless, wild, and turbulent. A screeching voice, some flesh upon its head, a sort of arm raised as for punishment, his tail a plume, a fiery plume displayed. It was a capon, and the creature drew like a wild beast new home from Africa. And with its arms he beat its sides, it's true, with such a frightful noise that in dismay, e'en I who pride myself on courage, ran and fled for fear, cursing the evil creature, as but for him I should have found a plan to make acquaintance with that gentle nature, so soft and sweet, and with a skin like ours, long tail and spotted, with a face so meek, and yet a glittering eye of such strange powers, a sympathizer, sure as I can speak, with us the rats, for he has just such ears. I was about to make a little speech when, all at once, as if to rouse my fears, the other creature gave a dreadful screech, and I took flight. "My child," exclaimed the rat, "that gentle hypocrite you liked so well was our malignant enemy, the cat. The other, on whose form so foul you fell, is simply harmless, and will be our meal. Perhaps some day, while as for that meek beast, on us he dearly loves to leap and steal, and crunch and munch us for his cruel feast. Take care, my child. In any case, judge no one by their look or face." So it's the old don't judge a book by its cover. The young rat goes out, sees a rooster, scared of it, sees a cat, thinks it's lovely and meek and mild. His mother scolds him, says the rooster is harmless, but the cat loves to eat rats, so watch out. So there you have it. Now, in truth, a rooster would eat a little rat as quickly as you could see it, but for our story, we will pretend that isn't the case. So, bad guys don't always wear black hats, and good guys don't always wear white hats. Beautiful face does not necessarily mean a beautiful soul. So, beware. Till next time, goodbye.